Assalamualaikum. I am Mrs. Sadiq, teacher, SSC Primary School, Dawood Colony. Today our topic is food and fun assignment. Question number 5. Why is milk called a perfect food? अब milk यानी कि दूध क्या है इस perfect food. अच्छा आंसर milk is a complete food. Milk is such a poor food, complete food. It contains proteins, minerals, fats and vitamins. Atman milkas man chosa proteins, atman chosa minerals, atman chosa fats, atman chosa vitamins. Sari cheese atman chosa temi chi atmana yes such a complete food. Milk is such a complete food. Yes such a perfect food. Pach pyak sawal. Why milk is superior to all other food? Because has such milk superior by Q food niche. Acha answer milk is the best and complete food. It contains proteins, minerals, fats and vitamins. It is a food meant for young and old, for the sick and the healthy. Babies live mostly on milk for some time, so it is superior to all other food. Uses a milk best. Varya asal be has such a complete food, poor food. It contains proteins. क्या इसके आत्मन शासन proteins, आत्मन शासन minerals, आत्मन शासन fats, बेच शासन आत्मन vitamins. सारी आसन मौजूद चीज़ a complete food. It is a food meant for young and old, for the sick. This is a food use hasa lakten be budan hasa बीमार मंज लगान छ उमचे बीमार निश महफूज रोज़ान येलिम दूध चान दूधस मंज छ हर का ताकत and the healthy उमचे रोज़ान पत सेहतमंद. Babies live mostly on milk. यम लकट बच्चे जामुद बच्चे आसान उमचे ज़्यादा तर छ बच्चे आसान अत दूधसी पेट कैंसस टाइमस. So it is superior to all other foods. तमें चीज़ superior बाकी food निश बाकी पर उस पगा खुदा हाफ़िज़.